my god, who's they?
It's hopeless, Mini Mushroom. Lime Gum just talks cryptic nonsense and we can't do anything about it.
No, there has to be more. There has to.
Okay, sure, but I won't help you.
Fine.
It is time for the elimination, I guess.
So how is this gonna work?
Whoever has the most votes will be eliminated, stupid.
What are these votes you speak of?
Oh my god, can you make any sense?
Shut up, 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 shut up.
Okay, geez. Calm down.
You know what? You're right, Pencil. I'll be calm now.
Great. So how many votes did we get?
Kinda sad, but we gotta keep going.
And that vote was for Mini Mushroom.
Cheese. This one's the best one. Huh? Oh my god, I knew he shouldn't have put that spiky decoration on the ceiling.
It is so nice to be the flag of Orlando.
Chocolate Ball died, can you bring him back?
Sure. Now that that's done, we can finally get to the challenge.
Which is?
There are 4 buttons. You guys will be sorted into pairs, 1 pair per button. The 2 pairs who press it the least will be up for elimination. Go.
This challenge is so boring.
Agreed. Wanna do something actually interesting?
Honestly, I would say yes, but I'm too focused.
How? You just said that it was boring.
Dunno, I guess I just focus on boring things.
That's pretty weird.
Yeah, I know.
It is inevitable.
Dude, could you help me at all?
The help you seek is far away.
Can you stop spouting nonsense and actually help me, you cunt? Press. We exist too. This is our obligatory screen time.
I'm ending this challenge because I'm bored. Let's see the results. Okay, voting screen time now. Viewers, vote for whoever you want to be eliminated. Or don't, I really don't care that much. Voting ends in 3 days of this video being uploaded.